Subtracting real numbers with real life problems. Okay, let's read our first problem. Susan is going to have a party with her classmates in school. They are bringing pizzas. They decided to cut them in 8 pieces. At the same time, Gabby's having her party next to Susan's room. They bought 7 pizzas and are cutting them in 6 pieces each. During the party, Susan went over to Gabby's room and asked her for 3/8. How is Gabby going to give Susan 3/8? Here we go. We have Susan needs 3/8 and Gabby still has 2 pizzas. So this is what we're going to do. We are going to borrow from the 2 and cut it in 8 pieces. Then we subtract 8 minus 3, and that gives us a 5/8, and the one that we have before. And that will be the leftover that Gabby will have after giving Susan the 3/8 that she needs. Okay, this is what we have. We have 2, 5, 6, and Gabby needs 1 3/8. So we're going to subtract from those 2, 5, 6, 1 3/8. The first thing is to get the common denominator. And we're going to make a table so that we can get the common. And we say into 2, 6 into 2, 3. 8 into 2, 4. Then we get down the 3 and we say 3 into 3, 1. And this one doesn't have into 3. But then we're going to put a 4 and we say 4 into 4, 1. We multiply these and we get 24. What did we multiply 6 to get a 24? Plus a 4. So 5 times 4 will be 20. What did I multiply the 3 by to get a 24? 3. So we multiply these times 3 and get a 9. Now we're ready to subtract 20 minus 9, 11. So my answer is 1/11/24. Okay, now our problem is using the same information of problem number 1. But now the question is, Susan needs 1 5/8 and Gabby has 3 1/6. What is Gabby going to do to give Susan what she needs? Well, once again, the first thing is get a common denominator. So let's do it. We say we have 3 1/6 and we need to give 1 5/8. We already know that the common denominator is 24. How many times does 24 go into 6 go into 24? It's 4 times 1, 4. And 24, how many times does the 8 go into 24? 3 times 5, 15. Now, I cannot subtract a 15 from a 4. So, I need to borrow. And borrowing means that I will have to get a pizza. And now I will have 2 pizzas, 2 whole pizzas. But I will add 24, which I am borrowing, and add them with these 4. I will have 28/24. In the future, for a shortcut, if we know that we're adding, in this case like 24 with a new numerator, Well, we say 24 plus 4, 28. Let's add in this form as a shortcut. So we say minus 115 over 24. Now we can be able to subtract now. We say 28 minus 15 is 13. So my answer is 113 over 24. And this is my answer.
Sí.
Y ya se graba.
Y vuelves a grabar algo nuevo. Ah, ya. Porque haz de cuenta, grabé ya mi clase, ya tengo otra, pero en esa otra me equivoqué. ¿Y cómo le hago?
Ah, pues pícale aquí. Así como también, fíjate, le picas aquí para atrás. Bueno.